If you want to become a VA, the very first thing that you need to know is kung ano nga ba yung support na binibigay ng isang VA. This is where most newbies get stuck kasi since hindi nila alam kung ano nga ba yung scope of support ni VA, they feel na wala silang experience or they're not qualified for the role. But this is not usually the case. Kung nakapagtrabaho ka na before, if you've had previous experience, and kung yung work na yon involves you using a computer, chances are merong VA job that fits you. So ano nga ba talaga yung support ni VA? VA means a virtual assistant. In simple terms, ang VA, nagbibigay siya ng support in different areas of the business to make it run. Isipin mo na lang na para siyang general assistant sa isang regular corporate company. Ganun din, iba-iba yung trabaho niya, depende sa needs ni business. And ang difference lang ni VA kay regular general assistant is that si VA, yung trabaho niya, ginagawa niya online. Since assistants ang mga VAs, sometimes they take on a lot of different hats sa isang company. There are also times wherein a VA would specialize on a specific skill. For example, a social media VA. So, it depends sa needs ni company and sa preference mo. Now, here's the thing. Maraming industries and marami ding different kinds of tasks. Pero generally, yung mga needs ni business will fall into certain categories. And we'll talk about that categories para magkaroon ka ng idea kung saan mo ba pwedeng ipasok yung skills na alam mo. First category is operations. So, ang operations, ito yung lifeblood ng isang business. These are the things na kailangan nilang gawin so that they can get income or they can get paid. Some examples would be, halimbawa, a company is an IT company. Ang part ng operations nila na mag-provide ng IT support sa mga clients nila. If the company is, let's say, an e-commerce store, ang daily operations nila is to process purchases. So, si operations, anything na may direct impact sa income ni business, usually that will fall under operations. Second category is administrative. With administrative tasks, ito yung mga tasks na hindi naman necessarily nag-generate ng income for the business, pero they need to get done. So, ito yung mga tasks na most often ina-outsource sa isang general VA. Some examples will be managing yung calendar, setting appointments, answering emails, etc., etc. The third category is marketplace. This is where your clients will showcase their products or their service. So, kung product-based sila, usually it will be yung mga e-commerce sites like Shopify or Amazon or eBay. Pag naman service-based sila, usually they will have their own website or nakatap din sila sa mga ibang platforms. So again, it depends kay client mo. However, yung mga marketplace-related tasks will be you managing yung mga platforms na yon or anything that has to do with kung saan nila minamarket yung services or yung products nila. The fourth category is customer service. Kasi since businesses tong mga clients natin, they will always have customers that needs support. Right now, ganun pa rin, same pa rin, merong nag-offer ng phone support, merong email support, there's chat support, and there's also social media support. The fifth category is marketing. All businesses and brands would have to find a way para maipaalam sa mga prospects nila and possible customers that their product exists, and all of those tasks will fall under the marketing category. And lastly, social media. So in today's digital age, most businesses would need to have social media presence, and those social media platforms would need to be managed kailangan may laging titingin sa kanila, may magha-handle sa kanila, and they also need support for that. So, these 6 categories, ito yung usual places wherein most businesses would need help. And ito yung mga areas kung saan nangangailangan sila ng VAs para mag-provide ng additional support to make sure that they can run their businesses. Here's the thing, as a VA, hindi mo naman kailangang malaman yung lahat-lahat ng tasks na relevant sa lahat ng categories na yon. Of course, the more skills that you know, the better. It will definitely give you an edge. Pero if you have previous experience before, outside sa online industry, let's say you have a traditional job, and papasok siya within any of these 6 categories, you don't have to start at the very bottom just to get experience. Kasi you already have experience. You're just changing the platform. So kung dati pumapasok ka ng office, now you just have to do it online. Yun yung difference. So even if this is your first time sa online industry, kung meron ka ng previous experience sa isang traditional company, you can definitely capitalize on that skill to get into the industry. An example for this is, let's say you have 5 years bookkeeping experience. Matagal mo na siyang ginagawa, but this is the first time that you're going to transition and look for an online job. You don't have to learn everything. You don't have to start doing data entry or product research. You can actually get into the industry as a bookkeeper because bookkeeping will fall into the administrative category. It means that most businesses will need someone to keep their book records and manage the books for them. So definitely you can capitalize on the skills that you have already. The idea here is for you to know and identify kung saan bang category papasok yung skills na alam mo na. This way, you'll have an idea kung ano yung mga jobs na pwede mong applyan. And at the same time, you'll know how you can market yourself better pag you're sending out your cover letters and proposals to possible clients. So there, I hope this video gave you an idea kung paano ka ba makakapasok sa online industry as a VA. And I hope that this video helped you in a way to clarify some questions that you might have sa trabaho ng isang VA. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe to the channel so that you're always informed once we have new videos available. Thanks again for watching.